Supplementing with nicotinamide mononucleotide or NMN can offer various health benefits, particularly as it relates to aging and cellular energy. NMN is a precursor to nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide or NAD+, a critical coenzyme involved in energy production and cellular repair. Here are some reasons to consider NMN supplementation. NAD+ levels naturally decline with age, reducing the efficiency of energy production in cells. NMN helps restore NAD+ levels, enhancing mitochondrial function and energy metabolism. NAD+ is involved in DNA repair and maintaining the integrity of chromosomes. Boosting NAD+ levels through NMN may slow down the aging process and promote longevity. NMN may improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar levels, and support overall metabolic function. It has potential benefits for conditions like obesity and type 2 diabetes. NAD+ plays a role in maintaining healthy brain cells and protecting against neurodegeneration. NMN may support memory, focus, and cognitive health as you age. NMN has been linked to improved vascular function and blood flow. It may protect against age-related cardiovascular decline. Increased NAD+ levels can enhance muscle strength and endurance. NMN may help in faster recovery after exercise. NMN may help support immune system function, which can weaken with age. Dosage. Common doses range from 250 mg to 500 mg daily, but consult with a healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. Safety: NMN is generally considered safe, but long-term studies are ongoing. Quality: choose high-quality, third-party tested supplements to ensure purity and effectiveness. Let me know if you'd like more detailed information about NMN supplementation or related research. Help me grow this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.